Gusto mo day 1 of
Maraming speeding.
no?
Maraming speeding.
Feeding din si Market City na.
Ano nga, kain din.
Nag-feeding din sila.
Hmm?
Feeding din sila.
Ano sa'yo mo, Francis? Ano sasabi mo sa
Golden daw at soda pop.
ano daw kami? Ang entrance namin ay matagal pa. Ano daw kami? Unis daw kami.
Orange nga.
Ang-
Ang
Pink sa amin.
Ayun, bako.
Pink sa amin ba?
huh?
Pink sa amin.
Violet yata sa inyo.
Violet hindi.
Ano?
Pink daw.
Pink daw.
Pink ka na naman ah.
Nakulot ng ano.
Wait sa akin. Ay, hindi. Akin na yan,
Orange.
Orange.
May orange ka pa yata sa mga.
Ano kami?
Ang naman siya oh. Ano yun?
And God, and you know why I know that I have some. This is not, but day 1 of earning this boutique, and I have the cool looking good. It's water. I don't get to read it, but you will read it if you need to pause it if you want to read it, of course. And it's the okay. I'm not gonna go show up video about it. That okay. It's our day 9, so that's why I play it, guys. Okay, chill. What? Still. Wait. 6. Okay, let's do another. We'll see the buttons. The day 10. 11 Robux, of course. But how the freaking is that can be? Oh, that changed. It's 11. So that's why. Maybe it's fake. He said maybe that's fake. Let me see the. I cannot even see the. Core bomb is like nothing. And that's my friend. Then let's see. Gold. Let's see. Nope. No, never mind. I'm gonna run for it. Never mind. I don't want it. They are EO. Not my friend this, but this is too many.
Pasok ko eh.
Meron pala. We need to capture this because this is a kid. Okay. Boom, we have like kid, a little kid, little dog, happy cat. Then we have this dwarf hamster, little fish. Then we have the hamster, bros, little turtles. Yeah, maybe that's illegal or you cannot pet it, so that's why. Bro, with betta fish. That's a fishy. And that's a dog. And that's a normal goldfish. Axolotl. 1 million. Serious, bro. Wait, we need to set this up. So I'm gonna be right back. Wait, okay, I'm gonna be right back.
Inumin ko na yung gatas na yun. Sis,
Ano?
inumin ko yung gatas na yun.
Na?
Inumin pa yan.
Ano naman pa?
Hindi
Kailangan.
si ate.
Na?
Si ate.
Eh, bawal na. Isa, feeding lang daw kaya.
O titigin mo yung kapatid mo.
Ayun. Wala na. Wala na. Putol na yung mga pip ko lahat.
Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan.
Nasaan yung binili ko sa iyo?
Putol na yun.
Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan. Huwag diyan. Dahan-dahan.
Yung toast naman sa akin namin. Kung di ako nagpiyo.
Yung ano ito yun.
Immortal. Wala na siya pip. Hindi na siya nakapip. Siya nakapip. Ano naman, nakakalimutan.
Lang natin.
Kaya naman, di sa kawala ulit.
Bumili ako.
Dad. Ito na ba sa to?
Bumili.
Dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan. Nakalakaw ako gusto mo. That always happens, guys. So,
Dati
ignore that, bro.
kami dati.
Ignore that.
Pero na yun, hindi na. Mga basics sa kasi kami, kaya wala na kami ganito. Oo, dati nag-feeding ako dati. Hindi na. Never na ako nag-feeding na yun, Francis. Never na. Sipra, mama. Maga siya hindi. Nga.
Frozen yung
Maga na. Hello? Suro kasi, napunta na sa ilalim.
Pwede naman bawal.
Kuha ka kasi ng baso.
Baso!
Salim mo yan. Para hindi kang anuhan.
The shortcut, guys. You supposed to be public. Instead, let's just
Di na lang.
we need to get the box questions, bro.
Nakapiling ka. Nakasama ka. Piling ka. Tatlo.
What's here?
Ay, hindi.
What I'm gonna do?
Welcome, ano. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel.
Yes, hello.
Tapos, pinalit. Welcome pala sa buhay ng...
We don't need
pinalit.
this.
Ang sarap ng pinalit eh. Pati crush niya na doon sa gagawin niya.
What I'm gonna
Wala! Ulit! Palis mo kasi baka dubukan ako. May sugar. Oh, may tang. This is sweet.
What I'm gonna search? What fish do I need?
Sorry!
Oh, jellyfish.
Yung ano?
That's not a pet.
Sumiyan lang ng kagabi.
See, I want to download this, but
Sumiyan naman ako kagabi
I'm
pa.
not gonna. I'm not.
Matatansan ko
It
kagabi
just
na.
appears there. Okay. Well, you got me. If you know that I watch it, ignore it. Something. What am I gonna do?
Ano mo sa
Bakit?
yung pinto.
What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? Wait.
Ay!
That were a lot of, so that's why. So guys, don't sell that.
Maya, pwede sa'yo namin.
Yeah, just if you on different device, but except for computer because
Sinan?
there's a wait.
Gusto ko lang sa'yo.
No.
Hindi ako TikTok. Okay. Kasi yun lang.
There's a because I cannot explain it, but you will see. This that will appear, not appear. I don't know why. Nobody, just sweetie. The shortcut. Oh, bro, the shortcut will not do it. That go. A shortcut, bro. Please, a shortcut. Go. How to think that?
Hanggang magkaibigan lang talaga kayo. Aray ko.
Alam niyo ba na itong babae ito ay 30 years na nakalibing, pero nung hinuha yung katawan niya ay maliit. Yes, at siya kailangan ko kumain ng pera.
Now let's save.
Ayoko na to.
Kid cannot change. Okay, save the chain.
Kids, kids
Now.
na, yeah. Walang ayoko lang katay ito, ah. Yeah.
Ayoko yung gamot pati niya, pwede yung sa tao.
Alam mo naman sa mga. Wala ayoko. Ay.
No. So let's go. Now what? Okay. 10.
Tapos,
Before that time, I think I got the limit. What is it? Nah, not gonna get.
sa'yo lang yan.
Sa'yo lang.
Yung yan. Ako sa'yo yan.
Ayaw mo na.
Oh, ayoko na. Pati pan lang.
Ano? Cannot that. So what's back? It won't do it. It will be you can see it. You see that? It's 29%.
Wow, makeup talaga.
Ng panluma. Kasi matama dyan.
Not your friend?
Wala na rin papakain.
Okay, ulit. Masakit naman. Eat na. Aray ka! Pag sinabi ng bata! Aray ko talaga. Hindi ko sinabi ng bata yun ah.
Okay, what I'm gonna do here, let's see. Okay, here. You don't come. Yet nobody will do
Yeah, yung
it.
tula kay...
Now we
Pang
have,
tula? Okay.
we'll do it.
Okay. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ulit. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Limang letra. Isang salita. Unang nakita kita sa pag-aaral. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima.
Now this.
Lima na letra ng isang salita. Nung nauna kita nakita,
That
hindi
word's
ako
legit?
natigil na hanggang
No, that's a.
may ang mga ngiti na mga ngiti. Ang puso ko inaakit. Uy, sakit. Wow.
They are just exploring.
Oy,
I'm just gonna
ito ah.
You wanna donate this? I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be Spider-Man in this. Spider-Man. But I'm like Spider-Man. I'm gonna be a spider.
Uy, ayoko na to. Wala na to.
Okay, I'm just.
Pinapansin. Ito. Isa. Dalawa.
Ayaw daw.
Aray ko, sakit naman to. Ayos, ang hirap. Gaganda sa laksan. Oh my God. Ang hirap naman na.
Oh my God, iba-ibaw.
Daddy, I want to be really stinky.
Why do you want to be stinky, Naruto?
Because my school is having a contest for the stinkiest person. And the winner will get a Spider-Man PlayStation 5.
Seriously, then let's bring everything that stinks.
Wait, I know how to do this. We need to buy this. Ring the bell. We cannot freaking ring the bell. Ring the bell. Wait. Wait, guys, okay, nobody will.
Hindi pala.
Ayun pala sa malapit.
Lahat ba yan? Yeah.
Okay, guys, so would be continued. Okay, if you don't, guys, now you need, guys, we need to, there's a part 2 of there, but
Mamaya ka na
you completed this. So go watch the part 2. If it's not there, doing the part 2. It's not the time. Not part 2. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Bye bye, guys. Part 2 will be there. Maybe.